Hello, everybody. It's Gigo here, and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house here in Ghana. If it is your first time seeing this project, this is the Dorium Decking project where we are helping one of our subscribers here to, put up his dream house. And we are at the decking phase at this moment. In the first episode, we started with the woodwork of the decking and then we ended with the steelworks. Today's video is going to be more about the concrete casting, and also we interviewed Efo and who is the carpenter and also the steel bender, to tell us what's happening on site and how they got to this far. So, for those that missed the first episode, this is going to be a 3 bedroom house. There is 1 bedroom downstairs, I think a living room, and then a kitchen. And then we have 2 bedroom upstairs, making 3 in total. We have more details of this project in the first episode. You can check in the playlist, if you want to see, how we started with this project and how far we will be going with this project. If you are putting up, your dream house and you don't have a carpenter who will do your decking for you and your roofing, I will recommend Efo to you. Once again, you go to my playlist. It's called the Efo Carpenter. You can, check out his work, what he has done on the channel. If it is roofing or decking, when it comes to decking, he can rent some of the wood for you if needed, depending on how, huge your project is. But he will come around, take measurement, and then he will let you know what is possible or not. So FO rented the wood for the madam, and if you have roofing also, FO has a team. They will come around, take measurement and give you estimate if you're happy with it, and then you can move with him. So contact FO directly if you need a service. That's his number on the screen. So yeah, you can see him working with a steel bender, which we saw in the previous episode. Like I said, this is a team and we work together. So you can see the steel bender helping if we're trying to speed up this process so that he can take his measurement and come with his boys to start, the work. So this is something you get from us, the hustle, right, of looking for, artisans or chasing artisans or, trying to get them to come to your site. At Gigo Production Group, we arrange everything for you.
Hello. So today I'm here with Efo, Mr. Chris. Today, yeah, today we are at Doyumu, right? Doyumu, Asibi. Okay. So Mr. Chris, can you tell us something about?
This project is also from our channel, Google Production Group channel. So the client, she just called, then I came to the site for the measurement like the way we did it all the time. So after that, how the team make, I have to let our engineer, Brasami, know. So later, I'll bring the Brasami tool to the site. He also come and have a look at it because they're starting from the beginning. Like some things that they're supposed to do, they didn't make it in that way. So we have to do some changes before we do the floor.
Okay, so it wasn't Brasami who started.
Oh no. But now that we are the one can take over. Yeah, because of the way we are working in the channel, people have been seeing our work, not that the fraud. So he let us, the woman let us, we came to the site and then we take the measurement. So now we do the building is a 2 apartments. And this one be the 1 bedroom self-contained, the other one to be 3 bedroom self-contained. But she said we have to do the first one or the 1 bedroom one first. After that, the cast. Mr. Nick can do the iron work, everything finished. The cast. Then we will lose this one. Then we move to the other one because this would I rent it to him because I'm doing the renting to Mr. Kweti is also doing the same renting. So we do the renting for this material. Yeah.
Okay, so the renting reduces the cost, right?
Yeah, the renting reduce the cost. Yeah. This one, they're not that, or maybe we start and so, oh, we short for nail, we short for wood, we short for this. No.
I can even see you left some of the wood.
Yeah, that is
So you
the.
brought excess.
So we
Okay.
are coming here because the place we from no is far. So we brought SS. So now we have to take this one go back home so that next project, or if we are coming to do the second one, so then we can use it for the second one too.
Okay, please, can we go inside and so you're done with the bamboo, the staircase.
Yeah. So this is where the staircase supposed to be. So now we put the staircase here. Our engineer come around. He is the one check everything position before we put it here. Yeah. So this is the living room.
So now the next thing is the iron rods.
Yeah, the next thing is iron rod. But I'm sure if God grace by tomorrow, Mr. Neo come around. Neo kind of, I was telling that will come around. Even today's service is around. So he's waiting for the material. If the material come early as possible, maybe he will start doing something before tomorrow. Then he will continue.
Thank you for the good work you're doing for people.
Oh, you are welcome. You are welcome.
I'm here with the silver Nani. Please, can you tell us about this upcoming project?
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, by the way. Good morning, dear viewers. It has been a long time. Yeah, this is Gigo production teams. Yeah, and now FO has done its own. So now we have to take over. That is three people. So we are here. We are looking at the how to get the materials down so that tomorrow we can start this project. Yes, we are at Doyum side. Shy Hills area. Yeah. So maybe tomorrow, tomorrow we'll start something. Sure. And we are here to do a very good work for the clients because uh, they are always watching us. They trust us. That's why they have given us this work. So we are here to do the correct job and also correct the mistake that the formerly people have made. So I think we are here to do a good job as well, and network too as well. Mm, yeah.
Thank you.
So that's our chief steel bender name for you. He has been behind all the steel works that you've been seeing on this channel. If you want to see more of his work, the project that he did a lot of steel works is the Pram Pram project, and also the I think the Hill project, Hill apartment project. Yeah, we did a lot of steel works there, so you can check it out if you want to see more of his work. So in our previous video, this is where we ended, right, with the steel works. And so fast forward, we went with the concrete casting, and we have some of our team, you know, workers here to help, like I explained in my previous episode. If you watch it, you'll get a whole story behind this particular project, which is the Dorium decking project. So the guys are on with the concrete casting. I think they are already halfway done. We have Efo, who is supervising this project because the owner has handed everything to him to be in charge.
Oh, auntie. As you can see now you have access to step go up. So this is how your steps come. So now we almost finished. So they are doing the dressing on top. Sorry. They are doing the dressing on top. this is what we have done for today. So we finished everything. So this is the staircase too. Adi. Adi. So this is the next one. So this one has been complete. So this is the next one too we are coming to do. After this one dry, then we are moving to this one too.
So then we have to wait for the next 21 days for the concrete casting to cure. Then we will shift the wood to the next project, which you see on your screen now. So then I think this brings us to the end of episode 2 of the Dorym decking project. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. If you want to see more update of this project, if you go to my playlist, you'll find it in the Info Carpenter, playlist. I'll also create a playlist called the Dorym Decking Project. So thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next episode. Let's get to it.